For the third use case that I wanted to present to you, it is that of a job board that features a wide range of positions and offers a variety of job opportunities. So considering the name, a hyperlink to apply, the salary details, the location, the team information, and other relevant factors, etc., can all be taken into account. So I'm thinking, okay, I'll immerse you in a new use case. True, there have been many transitions, but now we're diving into a new use case. I oversee employment opportunities for my company. I desire for them to be synchronized directly on my WordPress website so that individuals can have access to them. And besides, I almost want to tell you, imagine us, we are several in the team and we all want to be able to interact. So there, Notion is purpose built for that. And thus I've entered all my data here in this designated location. And thus I desire for all the posts to be visible on my website. Therefore, what I did is that I established a connection similar to the ones I created for the other posts. I'm not going to go over that part again because it would be a waste of time. The only thing I did was, instead of fetching a classic post, a page, a taxonomy, I went to fetch the custom post type that I created beforehand, which is the custom post type job, and that you can find right here. In the identical manner as for the other streams, I have finished my mapping. I am bringing you a brand new subtlety that I would like to share. If it was a copy-paste of what I presented to you before, it wouldn't be interesting. That is to say that the plugin, in addition to allowing the synchronization of the classic fields of WordPress SEO plugins, another extremely important game changer is the capability to synchronize with your advanced custom fields. I believe it appeals to everyone, but I am simply providing a concise summary of the ACF plugin. It gives you the ability to include additional fields in your WordPress posts, expanding the customization options and flexibility of your content management system. The sole crucial aspect to comprehend is that we have the capability to include extra data to a field with ACF, and Notion WP Sync enables this synchronization. In addition, you can easily find it by locating the small titles positioned above the various values. These titles serve as markers that help identify and access the desired information quickly and efficiently. What I did in Advanced Custom Fields, ACF, is that I added the city, the link to apply, and the salary in ACF, Advanced Custom Fields. Essentially, what does it look like? There are a total of 3 fields, namely a select field, a number field, and a URL field. I took 3 because I wasn't going to provide you with an extremely exhaustive list, but on the other hand, you can find it on the WP Connect website if you want to see all the supported fields in their entirety. Nevertheless, you do have access to the complete list directly on the website. There, what I did to match my use case is I created the city, salary, and link, which are all stored in my Notion. This enables me to easily reference and organize the information based on my preferences and requirements. Subsequently, in my mapping procedure, I obtained the values from Notion and transferred them to ACF. This was the action I took after that. What I did additionally to demonstrate another functionality is the team section that is present. She corresponds to the categories. This is the feature that enables you to filter your posts later on, once you've made your selections and want to refine your search results accordingly. Once the synchronization process is finished, we proceed to find our jobs, encompassing all those that are currently present in the Notion database, ensuring that no data is left behind or overlooked during this important step. I did not include a title, but you can easily imagine, just like we did for blog articles, envision this post as being empty, so I am aware that I can synchronize it without any issues. This one is currently waiting for recruitment, so I will change its status in order for it to update and so on. There are a multitude of things that can be imagined. And as such, in order to exhibit all of my posts, I have constructed a job board page that serves as a comprehensive platform for displaying my work and connecting with potential employers. You might have noticed it in my installed plugins. It is the fact that the plugin also provides support for Elementor. Therefore, we have knowledge that a significant portion of WordPress users employ Elementor in order to build their page, generate their content, and manage their site effectively and efficiently. So for us, it was important. It was inconceivable not to permit this assistance. You will excuse me for the visual, which is not the most beautiful, but the most important thing for me was truly to demonstrate to you that we can go really, really far away and achieve remarkable success. Once I am inside Elementor, I have the ability to fetch the post info, which includes the advanced custom fields, ACF, that have been synchronized between Elementor and the website. This allows me to access and display the synchronized ACF fields in my Elementor designs with ease. To make it clear, what I did just before was creating a loop grid in Elementor. This grid enables me to list the different positions, namely my jobs, in an organized way. By using this feature, I can effectively showcase the various roles I'm interested in. In summary, my purpose in creating the loop grid in Elementor is to highlight and present the different positions that I want to emphasize and draw attention to. And then, in each individual record, I would like to display the title of the post, as well as the fields that have been synchronized, including the salary, city, and categories. This is the information that I subsequently find right here on the site, providing me with valuable insights and data. Afterwards, you are free to add the visual customization you want. The most important thing is to understand that you are free to manipulate. Once the data is imported into WordPress, you are free to manipulate it. That is to say that if you are a developer, you can manipulate the data directly with lines of code. If you're a blend of a developer and an integrator, you have the capability to utilize tools that enable you to perform this task in an efficient and effective manner. And if you are just an integrator, you simply want to have fun or you don't know how to do it, you have all the possibilities to administer the site with data from Notion, allowing you to easily manage the site using the data provided by Notion's platform. And so, in what way does it concretely present itself in ACF? Even if I think it won't be super sexy, but it presents itself like this. You have your fields that are synchronized with each other, ensuring consistency and coherence throughout the system. This one should not have a hyperlink. I must not have inserted one. Currently, I have both cities in the usual manner. Brain Designer, it's right here, so I have both cities, salary and link, that are synchronized. In my opinion, I believe that there you have the three main use cases that clearly illustrate all the features and provide a comprehensive understanding of the functionality.